Hello my good people, my name is Fee. Welcome again to my YouTube channel, and today we are going to cook some chicken, chile. I have some vegetable here. That's capsicum, what do you call it? Tomatoes, some carrots, onions, and some true seasoning. I'm going to cook something, but I don't know what, but I'm gonna cook something with these things. So welcome and cook with me, and hope you enjoy. Cheers. Eka some mafuta na tugoje hiyo mafuta ikuwe moto ndio tuweke our chicken there. First we gonna sear our chicken. So they have a nice color. Yeah, so let's sear the chicken. So how was your day? Mine was a bit tiring. I just from a shift. Saa nikakuja lazima nipikie familia na saa ndio tuko hapa tunapika. So you can tell me down in the comment vile umeshinda today, and let's see. So So I had marinated my chicken before, and now I'm searing it in a pan in hot oil. Go. Vale. Seasoning. That's like that. Ta-da! Okay, thank you guys for cooking with me, and here we have a lovely look like biryani and chicken and some kashubari on the side. So let's taste and see how it went. Actually, it's very nice. So guys, please, thank you, and please remember to subscribe if you have not subscribed, and hope to see you soon. Bye bye. Cheers.